Hi, I'm Chris Guld with Geeks On Tour, and along with my husband Jim, we've traveled by RV at least 30,000 miles all over the United States. Plus, we've rented vehicles in other parts of the world, and we always depend on Google Maps to get us where we're going. While you're underway navigating with Google Maps, you have some options. Let me show you how. I want to use Google Maps to navigate to our next destination. I open Maps. It knows where we are because I have location services on. I want to go to Ship Bottom, New Jersey. It goes to Ship Bottom, New Jersey, but now I want directions. The blue is its recommended directions. The gray is the optional. If I wanted to take the optional, notice the blue is taking a ferry. If I didn't want to take a ferry, I would just tap on the gray, it turns blue, and then I would start. But no, I rather like ferries. I want to go on that one. It tells me the amount of time, all sorts of information. I tap start to start navigating. Now, while we're navigating, I have the choice to either hear directions or not, or only hear alerts only. I also have the choice to have the map designed as north is up or the way I'm facing is up. Generally, I like it to be in the way I'm facing. Other options you have, if at any time I want to see the entire route again, I can tap in the lower right and show a bigger part of the screen. If I want to get back to my current location, I just tap on recenter.